Summer is the ideal time to refinish a front door because the environmental conditions allow finishes to cure properly and perform at their best. Warm temperatures help coatings bond more effectively to the door's surface, while longer daylight hours allow for controlled application and drying. Unlike colder months, where finishes struggle to cure, summer provides the consistency needed to build a durable, long-lasting protective layer that can handle seasonal stress. Refinishing in summer also stops damage at its peak. This is when UV exposure, heat, and humidity are actively breaking down existing finishes. Addressing the door during this period prevents further deterioration before it spreads deeper into the wood or core. Catching the damage early, before fall moisture and winter freeze cycles begin, can dramatically extend the life of the door and avoid costly replacement. Another advantage is that summer refinishing immediately improves curb appeal when it matters most. Homes are more visible, doors are used more frequently, and fading or peeling stands out under bright sunlight. A properly refinished door doesn't just look better, it's fortified with UV-resistant, flexible coatings designed to survive future summers. Refinishing in summer isn't just convenient, it's strategic, protecting the door when it needs it most and setting it up to endure the harsh seasons ahead. Door Renew can refinish for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.